you were kind of like backwards and really weird, but it turns out you're not. You're actually pretty cool.
Mom once showed me how she could change the meaning of a picture by framing it differently. It had a profound effect on me. Mom was one of the best photographers ever. It even says so on Wikipedia.
What could she have been thinking? What went through her mind when she realized the accident was unavoidable?
They know what really happened, right?
Well, Jonah obviously does. But Conrad, well, he was 12. So what do you do?
I'm with Kenneth and some others.
Okay.
He's not doing that well. I don't think you should tell him.
And you think he deserves to know the truth?
The truth? What is the truth? If you ever think about Mom, if you ever think about the car accident.
Why?
There's no story in a car accident. So people will have to make one up.
Am I really that difficult to talk to?
No, it's me. It's me too. It's difficult.